Pro Boat Miss GEICO. It's the 17-inch version, which comes with 2.4 radio. You got your battery, your peak charger. As you see. Alright, let's take a look and take this out of the box and see what it looks like. Alright, now we got it out of the box. It's nice and small, 17-inch hull length. You got your little 2-amp peak charger that it comes with. Pretty nice. You got your 1200 milliamp nickel metal battery. You got your 2.4 radio. So you see, you have your basic dual rates for throttle and steering. Pretty nice, not too bad. All for about 120 bucks. It's not too bad. Let's take a look underneath this magnetic hull. It is magnetic. There you have it. You got your little 380 brushed motor. You got your Velcro for your battery, your ESC, and your little servo. There's your rudder, your prop. Looks pretty nice. Very nice looking. Very bright. You'll definitely be able to see this in the water. Bring it to your average pond. Wouldn't recommend a lake or anything. It looks like it's going to be pushed around a little bit too much in a normal lake. But that's about it. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe. There'll be many more videos to come. Thanks for watching.